Hello friends, I hope you did quite well, and here 520 plus GB all in one file. But these are protected. First unit subscription, go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for access of my old file. Okay, open this one and you see here 500. Open this one and here all in one Photoshop collection. Scroll down and here Coral Draw collection, stamp and label and social network. Scroll down and here's logo in JPG, PNG, AI, APS, PSD, CTR, SVG files. Here font, here mockup, and here remove background, that's mean without background PNG files, image collection, and here Adobe Illustrator collection, Adobe Premiere, here After Effects, Adobe InDesign, Present, Lightroom collection, PowerPoint collection, and here many files, that's mean all in one file, just in one PDF download links. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love. Peace.